February 2011. We are in the midst of yet another snowstorm. And my deck is getting quite high with snow, as we can see here. The cats can't even see out beyond the snow unless they stand up on their back legs. There's my grill. My table and chairs are underneath this. And that's just the deck. There's nothing under there but deck and more snow. There's the feeder with the squirrel on it. You see the snow falling. And thus it has been a very, very snowy winter. We have at least 3 feet out there. I don't know, there's probably a lot more than that.